अस्सलाम वालेकुम, ज़्यूनिक सोलर एनर्जी के जानिब से मुखातिब हूँ। फरमाइए क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ आपकी?
Welcome to Ziewnic Service Center. We are available to provide services in many cities across Pakistan. Submission area. Checking inverter fault. Registering inverters detail in our database. Manager room. Repairing lab. We replace PCBs when repairs are not possible. We are using original parts for long-life inverter after repair. We are testing inverter at least 3 times before deliver to customer. Separate lab for lithium batteries. For battery claim, we replace all cell, not only one. 3-phase grid feeding setup for testing and customer satisfaction. When customer have emergency, we provide remote inverter. Technical support for solar installers to set inverter parameters. Pray area. Call center department. Anyone can contact with our team for any details about Ziewnic products. Our team will be in contact with our customer for his inverter status. Message will automatically sent to customer when inverter is ready. Inverter will give back to our valued customer within 24 hours. Satisfying our valued customer with live load test. Simple and easy procedure for warranty claim.